Aloha and welcome back to my channel.
So
मैं हूँ
this
Saloni
road that we're
Kalra.
on right
You're
now was
watching your
not
Daily Goal
originally
Abroad,
here about
and
10 years
this is
ago.
our day 3
This
in
was just cut
Oahu.
out.
So today we are in Kualoa Ranch. Kualoa Ranch is like Waikiki is in the south, थोड़ा west में, and this is up north. So यहाँ तक आने के लिए मतलब कोई भी टूर यहाँ पे यूजुअली आता नहीं है from the hostel. So I was like bummed कि maybe I'll miss it. But yesterday on the rooftop of my hostel, I met this guy and he was like, I'm gonna go there in the morning. And I was like, I wanna go too. So it's the three of us who came here. This is actually the one of the coolest places in Oahu. अगर आप लोगों ने जुरासिक पार्क देखा है, अगर आप लोगों ने जुमांजी देखा है, so you have seen this location. यहाँ पे बहुत सारी फिल्म्स की शूटिंग हुई है. I am not that big of a movie buff, so I did not get that tour. Instead, I booked like this jungle tour जहाँ पे they like take me to the jungle and actually talk about the jungle more than the movies क्योंकि मैंने इतनी Hollywood movies नहीं देखी है. But the other two, they were pretty excited about the Jurassic Park wala tour, so they're gonna go there. Let me also give you a little fit check. So I got this dress from H&M and I'm like super happy wearing it. It has like this really pretty bag. And I got this flower from Amazon. And I'm wearing some silver jewelry like this and my nose ring. Also I get so ऐसा conscious shooting myself as sitting alone and just talking to a camera. But it's just one of the things that I'm doing more seriously now. And thank you so much for all of the support you guys have been showing. And I'll try to get more out of my comfort zone and like be more confident shooting content. Okay, so we're all checked in. अंदर आके हमने चेक इन कर लिया. वी आर अ लिटिल अर्ली फॉर द टूर बिकॉज जो जुरासिक पार्क वाला टूर था विच दी अदर गाइज आर डूइंग दैट वाज अ लिटिल बिट जल्दी, तो वो लोग तो चले गए अपना. एंड नाउ आई एम वेटिंग फॉर माई टूर एंड दिस इज़ द परफेक्ट स्पॉट टू वेट क्योंकि इट्स जस्ट सो प्रिटी. वहाँ पूरा इतने सारे सुंदर माउंटेन्स है, इस तरफ ओशन है. इट्स जस्ट सो ड्रामेटिक एंड सो प्रिटी. मुझे तो अभी ये लग रहा था मैंने टूर बुक भी नहीं करा होता ना, अगर मैं ऐसे ही आके बैठ जाती तो भी मुझे बहुत मज़ा आता क्योंकि बहुत सुंदर जगह है. अनदर थिंग दैट आई थिंक वी शुड टॉक अबाउट टॉकिंग अबाउट लाइक बीइंग कॉन्शियस अबाउट योरसेल्फ और कॉन्फिडेंस इज़ ऑल्सो दैट अभी मेरे हॉस्टल में देयर इज दिस गर्ल, राइट, शी इज़ माई रूममेट एंड वी वर ऑन द रूफटॉप yesterday. We were just like talking to new people, random people. एंड देन शी इज़ फ्रॉम अर्जेंटीना, राइट. सो उसका भी वो लैंग्वेज बैरियर रहता है, मेरा भी लैंग्वेज बैरियर रहता है बिकॉज इवन दो वी आर इन द US बट स्टिल इंग्लिश इज़ नॉट अ फर्स्ट लैंग्वेज. सो देर इज़ अ लैंग्वेज बैरियर एंड लाइक देर इज़ ऑल्सो अ references का barrier because there are a lot of movie references, a lot of references in the US that we don't get, right? So we were just sitting and then I was just thinking, I was like, oh my god, she's so comfortable with herself, like talking, and she's so confident. So after the rooftop, we went to the beach and we were just sitting, chilling by the beach. She was about to leave for another party later. So before that, I was like, okay, let's go chill by the beach. till तेरी पार्टी का टाइम होता है. तो हम लोग बैठे हुए थे एंड देन शी वाज लाइक, यू नो व्हाट, आई थिंक यू आर वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट. एंड आई वाज लाइक व्हाट. एंड देन शी वाज लाइक, हाँ तू मस्त ऐसे बात कर लेती है. एंड आई वाज लाइक, मेरे को मैं तो तेरे बारे में ऐसे सोच रही थी कि तू मस्त बात कर लेती है. एंड देन आई जस्ट रियलाइज दैट हम लोग ना अपने को बहुत ज़्यादा कम समझते हैं. हमारे दिमाग में कॉन्शियसनेस रहती है जबकि सामने वाले लोग का लाइक उनको मस्ती लग जाते हैं. सो इट वाज मोर लाइक मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगा उससे बात करके और ये सुन के दैट्स व्हाट शी थिंक्स अबाउट मी. एंड देन उसको बहुत अच्छा लगा दैट्स व्हाट आई थॉट अबाउट हर. इट वाज अ नाइस मोमेंट. ओके, सो इनफ सिटिंग हियर. मैं वापस जाती हूँ अपनी टूर की जगह पे और मैं रास्ते में आपको दिखाती हूँ और भी क्या क्या टूर्स है और किन किन व्हीकल्स में ये लोग जा रहे हैं बिकॉज आई थिंक दैट्स द मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट. Okay, I really don't know how I managed to do these things, but I missed my tour. So the tour was at 9. Yeah, at 9 exactly. I was supposed to be there at 8:50 and I got there at 9:02. So I missed it, but the good thing is that they were like ठीक है 9:40 पे there's another tour, so अब 9:30 बजे exact आ जाइए, इसके बाद हम reschedule नहीं करेंगे. So I had to like get it rescheduled. And what's really funny is that I was sitting like right there, and यहाँ पे मुझे पहुँचना था टूर के लिए और मेरे सामने सामने वो चली गई. So let me give you a little tour of the place, Kualoa Ranch. तो यहाँ पे हॉर्स बैक टूर होता है, इसके पीछे बहुत सारे हॉर्सेस है, सो हॉर्स बैक राइडिंग करवाएंगे. Then there's this tour called Kualoa Grown Tour, जहाँ पे ये लोग यहाँ पे जो जो फ्रूट्स वगैरह उगते हैं उन सब के बारे में बताएंगे. Maybe they'll also let you participate in some of the farming. Then there's this one, it's for the movie sites tour. So जो भी मेजर मूवीज़ के अंदर यहाँ पे जो भी मेजर मूवीज़ की शूटिंग हुई है वहाँ साइट्स पे लेके जाएंगे. जैसे जुमांजी की यहाँ पे शूटिंग हुई है, जुरासिक पार्क की यहाँ पे शूटिंग हुई है, so all of that. And this is like the vehicle that they use for it. Market here, but it's closed. अभी शायद सुबह सुबह इसलिए closed है. And there is a zip line tour there, which was like the most expensive one. I guess it was $180 का. तो ये पूरे जो mountainous के बीच में they'll take you zip lining. And then the most famous Jurassic Adventure tour, where they'll take you to exclusive sites जो सिर्फ इसी टूर में लेके जाते हैं. It's for $150 या $160 का कुछ है. So if you are a Jurassic Park movies fan, then this is what people do usually. And this is the one that I'm gonna do. It's the Jungle Expedition tour. क्योंकि मुझे इतना मूवीज़ का पता नहीं है, मुझे जंगल पसंद है. So I was like ठीक है, I'll go around sitting in a vehicle, open vehicle in a jungle. This is the vehicle that they're going to use for that. So the tour has started. Pretty much have a private tour, so I think it all worked out in the end of me missing my 9 a.m. tour, because at 9:40 there's practically nobody. It's just like 5 people. और 9 बजे वाला पूरा का पूरा पैक था. So it worked out great.
All bunkers.
That's the horse
and
riding.
little ammo.
These are the Hawaii
Those tikis are just
हवाई
replicas
कल्चर में
of
भी
their
मल्टीपल गॉड्स होते हैं.
tikis, sadly.
So we're saying जब यहाँ पे वेस्टर्न इन्फ्लुएंस आया अमेरिका, तो उन्होंने बहुत सारा हवाई के कल्चर को they try to erase it, about their language, about जो उनका डांस था, कल्चर था.
So we are
इस
coming up
जगह
to
पे they
a
try to
cultural
preserve
stop
it
called
and
the
teach about that.
Bahikana.
So this is the place जहाँ पे हवाई के जो रॉयल्स होते थे, they were born. So that's where our truck is, and this is actually one of the very very sacred lands. तो जो हवाईयन लोग होते थे, उनके जो किंग्स वगैरह होते थे, they used to be born in like this house. और that is the statue of Luna. Luna is their agricultural god. So because इस जगह पे इतना ज़्यादा एग्रीकल्चर है, इसलिए they have dedicated it to Luna, the agricultural god. Also when the kings were born, तो ऐसे मैसेज भेजने के लिए नेक्स्ट वाले डिस्ट्रिक्ट बोल लो या काउंटी बोल लो, उसको मैसेज भेजने के लिए यहाँ पे ड्रम्स बजाते थे. एंड वो ड्रम्स सुन के फिर नेक्स्ट वालों को पता लगता था कि ओ वी हैव अ न्यू किंग, किंग्स बॉर्न, like that. It has started to rain. मतलब obviously यहाँ पे mountains इतने ज़्यादा है, तो rains like very common. mountains में तो हो ही जाती है कभी भी. And also इस जगह पे worshipping करने के लिए भी आते थे. तो जैसे अपने मंदिर होते हैं, वैसे यहाँ पे worship करने भी लोग आते थे.
A lot of ancient sacrifices and rituals.
I think he's getting some kind of nuts. These are the kukui nuts. So kukui nuts के बारे में बहुत सारा बताया. सबसे पहले तो it's like a natural laxative. So in Hawaii they say if you eat a lot of kukui nuts, you do a lot of pupui. These nuts you can extract the oil from them. Moana के अंदर भी इसका reference है, where Moana has like a torch made of these kukui nuts, because you can light them. And their oil can also be used to like treat inflammation. So this is like very very special for Hawaii. Kukui nut. It is also edible though. If you like dry it out and get to the shell, then you can also eat it, but not more than 5. हवाई में एक और बात बोलते हैं which is mala malaina, which means taking care of the land. So यहाँ पे जो रॉयल्स होते थे ना, they used to wear these capes made of 50,000 feathers of real birds. So they used to like catch birds and take out their feathers, but because they were like very gentle to the land and to the birds and everything, they used to only catch the birds and get like 3 feathers out of each bird and then let them go and regenerate. So they were like very very kind people. और मतलब 50,000 feathers का एक केप बन रहा है. So only the royals could wear it. So this is the fish pond that was built. इसके पीछे भी एक story है that the fish pond was actually built by hobbits in 12 hours. So like little men in 12 hours. And the story is that they were all through the mountain, passing rock by rock, and they built it in 12 hours. So this fish pond was used by the Hawaiian people to catch fish. तो फिश मतलब जब भी हाई टाइड होती थी, फिश उड़ के क्या मतलब इसके ऊपर से आ जाती थी इन द फिश पॉन्ड, एंड दे यूज्ड टू बी कैप्चर्ड देयर एंड दे वुड जस्ट गो एंड हार्वेस्ट देम. दिस इज़ ऑलमोस्ट लाइक अ प्राइवेट टूर, एंड बिकॉज वी आर जस्ट 5 people, we are also able to ask a lot of questions, and our tour guide is just amazing. That's the Jurassic World. Okay, so people are really
Pretty sure we're
excited.
gonna be coming back through here.
So I
I'm gonna,
guess they
take
love
you
it.
guys through it when we come back.
I guess what just happened is that this site was only for the Jurassic Park tour, which is like about $170, and the one that we're in is about $51. And I guess he got us here by mistake, and people got really excited about it. And he's like, So हमारे जो टूर गाइड है उसको थोड़े रास्ते भूल गया. So अभी यहाँ पे कुछ वर्कर्स थे और वो ऐसे रास्ते वास्ते पूछ के जा रहे हैं.
You guys are okay with hiking, right?
Yeah.
Alrighty.
I mean, पता नहीं, वैसे तो मैंने कपड़े तो हाइकिंग के नहीं पहने हैं, बट ठीक है, कर लेंगे. This is the Hakipulu
These
Valley,
caves hold
and this was like one of the most spiritual places. यहाँ पे आके लोग
Because as I said before,
spirituality
the
practice
ancient
करते थे.
Hawaiians
यहाँ पे
believed
आके
in
लोग
something
worship
called
करते थे.
mana, and mana is these.
So this is another stop. This was an optional hike. So it's gonna be like 5 minutes to get to the top. And it's just stairs and mostly very, very well maintained hike. So I don't think it will be a big problem, so I did it. Anyway, although I wasn't dressed for a hike. But who wouldn't want to do a hike, right? I just like the fact that these tour guides, they're like so interactive and they can make you laugh like the entire time. For instance, he was like, it's only gonna take you 5 minutes to get up there, and then 1 minute में नीचे आ जाओगे because मैं आपको फेंक दूँगा. They're just fun.
You're there. You hike.
Okay, so यहाँ से निकल के with all of the steps, there were like 100 or so. You see this view. Gorgeous view. This fruit right here, it's not a pineapple, it's a hala tree. So our tour guide just told us that it's a hala tree, and उसके अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा, like there are a lot of strings. So the actual fruit is used to make brushes or toothbrush or something, but the real benefit of this tree is the leaves. So the leaves, when they dry up, जैसे वो brown हो गए हैं, they are used to weave clothes, baskets or even sails. अभी our guide was like यहाँ पे खड़े होके इतनी सुंदर जगह के सामने, he was like, repeat after me. So we are repeating ऐसे full force में, thinking that it's a cultural thing, it's a spiritual valley. So he goes, wow. So we're like, wow, and I shouted wow, and then he goes, ow. Shouted ow, and then he goes, say it together, wow. Kong Skull Island का helicopter.
So
There's also एक ऐसे steel का gate, and then he was like, ये steel का नहीं, wood का है. Hollywood. Pee pee poo poo.
Does anybody know
So pee pee
what
is
a cow is called after it just
the
gives birth?
food and poo poo is the cattle.
A
So you can get
decaffeinated
pee pee for your
latte.
poo poo. क्या मस्त है.
Oh, look at a little baby.
Aww.
What are you doing? Don't run in front of us, bro. Oh,
He's standing there.
Hey, that's so
Turning into a
cute.
Kids meal cheeseburger. Moo. Out of the way.
Hey, that's adorable. Aww. Bye bye. Okay, so let me do a little debrief of the entire tour because of the way that I'm feeling right now. Instead of if I'll do it later, then this feeling might like go away. So it was so good. I mean, the entire vibe of, we did a short hike also there for 5 minutes. Then we had those strawberry guavas, like those little fruits. वो मेरे मावी की भी किसी वीडियो में आपको दिखेंगे. So those are like the fruits that were everywhere and we just picked them. They are छोटे छोटे अमरूद which are very sweet. So we picked them, we ate them. And then the whole ऐसे open sitting में बैठना and then driving around. And also our tour guide was so funny and so nice. I mean, it was totally worth it. मतलब जब मैं यहाँ सुबह आई थी ना तो मुझे लग रहा था कि maybe अगर मैं tour नहीं भी करती, this place in itself is so nice to like go sit around and chill. But the drive was amazing. So I highly recommend that you do it. And also if you're like into Jurassic Park तो वही सब कर लेना. But जो मैंने करा वो भी काफ़ी अच्छा था. But I am sure जिन लोगों ने Jurassic Park वगैरह देखा उनको तो क्या ही मज़े ही आ गए होंगे.